In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hierarchies in Power BI. A hierarchy in Power BI lets you organize related fields so you can drill from a broad view to a more detailed one, like moving from year to month to week in your visuals. This makes your reports more intuitive and your insights easier to explore. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app and loading a report you'd like to improve. Once it's open, look to the left side of the screen and switch to Model View. Model View gives you a structured look at your tables and fields, and it's the best place to define relationships and build hierarchies. On the right, you'll see your fields. Choose the data column you want to use as the starting point for your hierarchy. In this example, we'll begin with year. Hover over the year field and click the three dots next to it, the ellipsis menu. From there, select Create Hierarchy. Power BI creates a new hierarchy with year as the first level, and you'll see it listed under your table with a small hierarchy icon ready to be expanded. With that new hierarchy selected, look to the Properties pane on the right. Find the Hierarchy section. This is where you'll add additional levels. You'll see an option to select a column to add a level. Choose month, then add week, and finally add year if it's not already included. If your fields are already part of a date table, they should appear in the list. If you don't see them, make sure those columns exist in your model and have the expected data types. Once the levels are added, you can drag them to set the order that makes sense for analysis. A common structure is year at the top, then month, then week. Drag and drop until the sequence looks right to you. When you're satisfied, click Apply Level Changes in the Properties pane. This confirms your hierarchy setup and locks in the level order you chose. At this point, your hierarchy is created and ready to use across your report. When you add it to visuals later, you'll be able to drill down and up through the levels to see trends at different granularities. If you find that months appear out of order because they're text, remember that sorting by a month number field is a common best practice. Also, ensure your date-related columns use the correct data types so the hierarchy behaves as expected. That's it. You've created a clear, reusable hierarchy in Power BI that makes your report more interactive and easier to navigate.